Experience a walking tour of the historic Vieux Carre, the oldest sector of New Orleans, discussing its 300th anniversary, architecture, and culture. Explore charming French Quarter streets lined with intriguing architectural features, elegant wrought iron balconies, and some of the oldest structures in the United States. Our knowledgeable guide will explain the cityâ's alluring culture and 3 centuries of captivating history. If option chosen, end your tour with sugar-dusted Beignets and Cafe Du Lait at the world-famous Cafe Du Monde. Wheelchair accessible. Infants and small children can ride in a pram or stroller. Service animals allowed. Public transportation options are available nearby. Transportation options are wheelchair accessible. Suitable for all physical fitness levels. A moderate amount of walking is involved, walking on some uneven surfaces. Comfortable walking shoes and dress for the weather is recommended. Menu items and/or stops are interchangeable and may change without notice. Guide gratuities are excluded. Guide and host gratuities are always appreciated. Allergies. This tour highlights set tastings and does not offer gluten-free, vegetarian options, vegan or pescatarian options. Please advise us of any true food allergies. Asterisk note, many authentic Louisiana dishes include pork. Minors may attend our tours with a parent or guardian present. Parents or guardians may never leave minors unattended on any tour. Bring your ticket with you to the attraction. Be aware that operators may cancel for unforeseen reasons. You must be 18 years or older, or be accompanied by an adult, to book.